ADC has been deprived by the state government for so many years. 35% people are living in ADC, and it is not only the scheduled tribe people. Scheduled caste people are living, general people are living, OBCs are living, Muslim minorities, they are also living in ADC area. The budget given to ADC so far in the last 39 years is only 2% of the state budget.
Tripura Deputy Chief Minister and State Finance Minister Adc today presented the state budget estimated over Rs 26,000 crore and tax-free.
The government of Tripura tables a budget of Rs 27,654 crore for the financial year 2023 to 2024.
By stage new 619 crore borok approve khlaikha boni bisingo 585 crore borok rang 685 crore rang pay 126 crore borok rang दिया.
हर MDC ऑपोजिशन का हो या आज तिपरा मोथा से रूलिंग में हो, they will all agree that funding to the ADC has been unfair, unjustified and very unfortunate. सबका साथ सबका विकास ADC को छोड़कर नहीं हो सकता.
Kuti je Romani 619 kuti ni bisingo se boro row oro nibo salary ni purpose sini ADC thane othobo so salary ni purpose 518 kuti taka thang boro sono rokha 685 crore.
Leader of opposition and Tipra Motha leader Animesh Dev Barma has warned of a big movement if the state government continues to deny funds to the TTAA
budget, which is way higher, much bigger than ever before. Now it is for the state government to understand, do they want to work with the TTAADC or do they want to bypass TTAADC and work directly? If that is the intention, then the government of India should rethink.
Every month, boron painai, tar boron sai dobo, har koto taka dita ADC re, onek taka to dei amra, tamar kachuno, boron ka.
हमारा अधिकार छीना जाता है. ADC में सिर्फ 2% पैसा भेजा गया, सिर्फ 2. क्यों? सबका साथ सबका विकास. विकास कहाँ गया?
हम लोग त्रिपुरा का राजा, यहाँ का ADC का मंत्री